Shouting. That was your mum.
Nah, it's weird.
Your mum did one.
What's him in the orange going to do then? Is he going to jump on the helicopter after?
There we go.
Are they the Falcons?
He just stands there just to check everything's running.
How's Jar? I'm going to go in a helicopter over. That's big number is that line for me. Got a ball now, you go in. There's no, I'll go in a helicopter. Just have to go in a helicopter.
You kind of do it very loud from here.
How could he survive? He'll probably throw him to the ground. Like, if it sucks him up, it'll hit his head. Probably chop it off.
Is she in there?
Yeah.
That's not fast.
Not yet. I think it'll get faster yet.
They did like it to moving at the top.
I feel that man has to get in, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
He's
Yeah.
just checking if everything's in our room.
Landed
Do you reckon you go straight to Carlisle?
I would think so. If she's just got a broken leg, it would just be Carlisle, I would think.
Oh, it's fun. No, they couldn't move her. She's been lying down for 2 hours.
Yeah. My mum broke her ankle and it was all snapped in half like that. And she was just stuck like at home out on the back step. There was nobody there. She was just shouting for ages, waiting for someone to notice. Luckily, someone did. Right, he's off, look.
Yep. It's cool how it just hovers.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
That guy hasn't been there.
So much louder when you're there, nearer to it.
Look. Showing off to the crowd.
Yeah.
Showing off to the crowd there, already. Just doing it like that.
Great job to do that.
Oh no! Look at that!
Off of who's all.
That's the best bit.
That's like an anything. Be quiet. That's right.
Going to Carlisle. It's weird that, isn't it? That he would
How would he
come
go
this way to turn round. You'd think he'd just go straight up.
Probably just show off to give it a show. I thought he was going to crash into that post.
It's got dodgy, it's got front wheels. No, it hasn't got front wheels. No, it has got back wheels. It hasn't got back wheels. What hasn't got back wheels? Oh, the front wheels.
Best thing in the world.
Yeah, it's got the card on there.
You're not definitely
I must be on full zoom now. Can't get any closer.
It's weird.
What?
Oh,
Zoom?
no, you come out and
I
you
know.
stop recording.